Filtration is the primary step in any water treatment plant. These days, it is inconceivable to use water without some kind of purification. The system shown here is typical, whether it is a residential complex, commercial building, a hotel, or even a hospital. Water from a municipal source, borewell, or tanker is stored in a raw water tank. This water is pumped through a two-stage process, the first being a sand filter. Solo Auto MPV allows dirty water to pass through the sand bed where undissolved dirt is trapped, allowing clean water to emerge from the riser pipe to the next process, which is softening. In this vessel, water rises up the resin bed and hardness is absorbed while releasing soluble sodium ions. Here, Solo Auto MPV displays the quantity and flow rate of the purified water as it goes up to the treated water tank. Solo Auto MPV performs the additional function of starting and stopping the raw water pump automatically based on tank levels. It switches off the raw water pump if the raw water tank level is low. When the treated water tank level is also low, it switches on the pump and switches it off when it's full. Once the programmed volume is counted down, Solo Auto MPV initiates an automatic backwash of the filter. The reverse water flow makes the sand bed rise and churn so that the accumulated dirt comes out through the drain. The pre-programmed backwash time is counted down during this time. Next, it initiates an automatic rinse, during which the sand bed settles down and water continues to go to drain until clean water emerges from the filter. At this point, a signal goes to the next Solo Auto MPV to start regeneration of the softener. Salt solution from the brine tank passes downward through the resin bed and a reverse reaction takes place, where the sodium is replenished and the hardness is removed and goes to the drain. A pre-programmed automatic rinse follows to remove the excess salt from the softener. In a manually operated plant, an operator is required for each of the processes. An operator is bound to forget in a timely manner. He may be absent or leave the job, and a new operator may be ignorant. A choked filter will reduce water flow and hence increase electricity consumed. If the operator is too busy and does not switch off the pump on time, it results in wastage of water. The Solo Auto MPV is the solution to all the above problems. It will save you both precious water and electricity, and most importantly, your time. Go automatic and save your time and money. Time is money, so use it better with automation.
Ever since we installed the automatic MPV, we are very happy. A lot of time is saved. We don't need to rely on any technicians. A big headache gone. Lots of time saved. The time we save, we devote to greater hospitality. Our clients are happy, so are we.
We need extra filtration system in our hospitals to ensure our patients get water free of arsenic and chlorine. Pure and clean water is extremely important for our dialysis, drinking, laundry and other domestic uses. Automation has proved to be a boon in ensuring the same. Thus, safe water is our biggest priority.
I am constantly under pressure from my boss to reduce costs in all the departments. An automation in my water treatment plant ensures that a backwash or regeneration happens automatically only when required, saving electricity, manpower costs and water.
I already have enough on my hands with respect to my daily chores. So, I don't want the headache of, hiring a Mali or a watchman to handle or to operate my water treatment plant. I want something that will take care of itself, something that's, like an inverter.